Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic little gadget that promises to revolutionize how one approaches organization and labeling, whether for a bustling business or a tidy home office. We're talking about the Phomemo M110S label maker set, and this particular one comes in a rather charming pink, adding a splash of color to any workspace. Right out of the box, the M110S impresses with its compact size and sleek design. It's clear this device is built for portability and ease of use. The most significant feature, and truly its core strength, is its Bluetooth connectivity. Users will find connecting it to a smartphone or tablet incredibly straightforward, transforming their mobile device into a powerful command center for all labeling needs. This seamless wireless connection means no more fumbling with tiny keyboards on the label maker itself. Instead, one can leverage the full power of their phone's interface. Once connected, the magic truly begins with the Phomemo app. This isn't just a basic labeling application. It's packed with features that allow for extensive customization. Users have a wide array of fonts to choose from, ensuring their labels perfectly match their brand aesthetic or personal style. Beyond fonts, there's a rich library of icons and pre-designed templates, making it incredibly easy to create professional-looking labels for virtually any purpose. Whether it's a simple text label, a complex barcode, or an eye-catching product tag, the app provides the tools to design it with precision and flair. The versatility of the Phomemo M110S is truly remarkable. For business owners, it's an invaluable tool for creating barcodes for inventory, pricing labels for retail products, or clear identification for shipping packages. In an office setting, it excels at organizing files, labeling storage boxes, or even marking cables to prevent confusion. The ability to print barcodes directly from a phone is a game changer for small businesses looking to streamline their operations without investing in expensive, bulky equipment. The set also includes one roll of blue paper, which is a thoughtful addition, allowing users to start printing right away. This thermal label maker means no ink cartridges are needed, which is a huge plus for ongoing cost savings and convenience. Just load the label roll, design on the app, and print. It's that simple. The labels come out crisp and clear, ensuring readability and a professional finish every time. Ultimately, the Phomemo M110S label maker is more than just a gadget. It's an efficiency booster. Its combination of stylish design, robust Bluetooth connectivity, and a feature-rich app makes it an outstanding choice for anyone needing a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use labeling solution. It truly empowers users to bring order and professionalism to their business or personal organization tasks with minimal effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.